What is up, everyone? It's Diana. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my beautiful face, make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I post. So, Nolan and I are back with part 3 of Love Victor Crack, and this one is titled Because Felix Weston is My Spirit Animal. So, we're gonna get a bunch of Felix. Yeah, Felix was
actually no,
that character.
No, was my spirit animal. Like was literally my favorite character in season 1. Season 2,
Felix had a lot of crackhead energy. I was here for it. So we're gonna get right into part 3. In 3, 2, 1, go. Not the train.
Jesus. I'm really scared.
Mom? Dad? I am a stegosaurus! You've been dubbed a hottie?
Bitch! Why are you mad? My pussy pops the feeling and yours don't?
Don't.
Victor's family is a delight. I like to think of myself as the third Salazar kid.
You don't have permission to disrespect me.
Hi, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
What if Victor...
One little touch, now my life's complete.
I can hear the bells. Bethany, you should love this scene, eh?
Look, it's the most iconic scene from Love Victor. Benji's opening
I wanted to
scene.
tell you I read your
Iconic.
letter, and I do forgive you. Really? But me forgiving you doesn't change anything.
Ew, I can't.
We stand at Trisha on the floor of a kitchen moment.
Goodbye.
I just liked when I just saw Rodriguez's selfies.
Dead.
Fine, we'll go. Just don't be weird.
Oh, I wouldn't dream of it, milady.
Bitch! Did you hear what the fuck I said?
And there's Fabian, the male underwear model who insists on playing without a shirt.
Once again, that's also scum. I think that's... Is that Italia?
Not Jolene. Not Dolly.
Andrew started it to help you join the basketball team because you're poor or whatever.
You think it's funny? You really think you're funny? Like, stop.
Not Denzel.
Stop playing with me. Oh my god.
Veronica's
Oh.
double twist. And they're getting married. Don't say triple twist.
Oh my god, can you let me do what I need to do?
Wow.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Anniversary. What are we, straight people now?
Hello, and welcome to my presentation on why you should go fuck yourself.
Period.
Spoiler alert, it's because you're a piece of shit. No
Period.
I didn't see too much of you at the carnival last night. You and that boy have fun?
Don't panic. Panic!
At least one of your boys is gonna give me some great-grandchildren.
I will tolerate your insolence no more!
Oh, honey, no, even as far as boy bags go, that is a very ugly backpack.
You take that back!
No.
No.
Get your head out of your ass.
Don't you raise your voice at me?
This one goes out to a very
I
special lady.
cannot.
No. No.
Hey. I hate it so much.
I don't know. I think I'm supposed to meet with the vice principal and get my schedule. Is he cool or?
Did you just assume my gender?
Benji, didn't you
forgot
and
about the
Victor
principal.
go on a work trip together?
Yeah. So?
Benji, what's going on?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
I'm not telling you anything.
Don't be suspicious.
Giving me
Boy, you better stop peeking!
Well, I know we did, but what I'm saying is, it can never happen again.
That.
You're dressed like this for a party.
Oh, you didn't tell me anything about a party. Whose party?
Oh, this girl Mia, she likes Victor.
What the freak?
I want someone exciting. and spontaneous.
I'm spontaneous. Spontaneous.
I'm dead.
You should probably eat these before they get cold.
Goodbye.
Yeah, okay, dámelo one. I'll sign it right now.
Or I can. I forge Dad's signature all the time. Permission slips, checks, you name it.
Wow. Hi, 911.
Hi, 911.
Don't you want a slice of sausage?
That's my favorite one.
Well, he's hot. He's kind, he's smart, he's good at sports, great skin, his eyes twinkle, he smells good. And I bet he's nice. Hi, Mia. Hi. Good to see you. Okay.
Whoa, whoa! Who's around me right now?
Okay, we're hugging.
If I were Jesus, where would I want to be to watch over this family?
Probably not nailed to a cross.
You dare
Mom? Dad?
I'm a cow.
Moving across the country is expensive, okay?
No, I'm a cow.
It's not my fault we have to do that.
The tea has been spilled.
You speak Spanish?
A little. My dad used to teach summer sessions in Barcelona.
Not Barcelona.
Barcelona.
In a terrible mood. My boyfriend
Okay.
Omar dumped me.
Well, he's making a huge mistake, Miss Thomas. Good catch.
Cue the flute.
It's not like you cheated on her.
Latte art. Remind you of anyone? Steve Harvey? But if you just want...
Do you want to go to the dance with me tonight?
Yes, queen! Yes, queen!
Dead.
True. Hey. Did you get a haircut?
I did not.
That was awkward.
So this is Benji, my coworker, and Derek, his bandmate.
Girl, what did that girl just say, girl?
Somebody tell me you love it. Hey, hey, hey.
That's how good Daddy did it. Hey, did it.
Hey.
Well, it was really nice meeting you. Victor.
Yeah.
Ooh.
How was your day?
My name's Jael.
Great, puppy. Thanks for asking.
You keep talking to yourself. People think you're crazy.
I'm weak.
Hey, Benji, look, let's...
Ooh, I'm intrigued just now.
All you ladies pop jokes like
Bye. I'm done with Bethany. I'm done.
Just fine. I mean, do you think I'd be the top-rated anchor in...
Not everything is about you.
That.
Facts.
Prolonged eye contact. Prolonged eye contact. Prolonged eye contact.
Oh, he looks good.
Back in Texas during regional semis, she got ejected from the game for excessive dancing.
Bye.
Omar's taking me back. Yeah, he really liked...
Let me pretend I care.
Let me pretend I care.
Okay, I'm done.
Who's ready to take a journey to the island of Catan?
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I can't.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
We don't have it yet, but I am hoping...
I have to go get ready for the dance.
Bye.
Victor's family is a delight. I like to think of myself as the third Salazar kid.
What's my top liver?
Not.
where's the hair dryer? My pajamas are freezing.
Why are you being so mean?
You guys didn't have this in Texas.
We had church barbecues. If you wear a sundress that's above the knee, it means you go to hell.
I'm so bummed it didn't work out with Andrew.
Oh, no.
I feel like it's leaking in here or something. Is it raining outside? Should probably get the roofs checked.
In a relationship, did you move here from 1984?
Do not insult my intelligence.
Do not insult my
That
intelligence.
dress is giving me life. I'm a cool mom.
I'm dead.
Okay. Mama, it's gonna squeeze me to death. Is it gonna squeeze?
Is it okay, weird seeing your mom on TV?
Okay.
I think.
Who's the mom? The snake?
Snake?
Who doesn't reduce you to a number?
That was beautiful.
So you need to get used to putting your best foot forward. And that means knowing how to look curvy but not big.
Image is everything.
I cannot. My mom pissed me off.
Benji, look,
Oh shit.
let's just listen to the radio. Speaking moistly.
I can't.
Speaking moistly.
Bethany.
Speaking moistly.
Yeah.
Bethany. I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
2 meters apart. Speaking moistly.
Bye. Oh my god. Okay, so
It's the mom being the snake for me.
literally.
That.
Oh my god, so that was part 3 to the Love Victor Crack for season 1. That was the last part. Oh, that was everything. Everything. Oh my god. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, head on over to the Teachers of the World channel and subscribe to see more Nolan. Make sure to follow us on social media. Everything will be linked in the description below. Go subscribe to Bethany Grace's channel as well for more her crack videos. They late or whatever. Pop some merch over on spaceboyfriends.com. Use my promo code DC for 15% off all orders. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.